Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, founder of Option Pit, and this is the Vol Report reminder. This is for education purposes only. Shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Consult a financial professional if you have questions. So let's talk about this market. It's a little funky. And as you can see, the S&P is starting to rally. The Dow is now green. The NASDAQ is up a lot. It had been kind of the ugly duckling of the bunch, and it is certainly doing much better right now. As I review things, some of the industrials are still soft, but Amazon is up big. Apple making a nice run higher. Financials are down. Rates are moving kind of the opposite way. But even Facebook, which has been kind of roughed up, is moving higher, and Google pretty flat despite some really negative headlines overnight. Some names I'm watching, I'm going to be looking at all these indexes, and VIX and VXX today, and then I'm going to look at Square again. I want to take another crack at Square because that sucker's been completely oversold, and so have a couple of these names. All the payment processors have been oversold, and I'm going to be playing in the entire space, looking for some decent trades. I think, looking at a chart of MA, that is going right back. Visa, Square kissing, just giving a little peck on the cheek, the 50-day moving average. Meanwhile, you can see MA made out with the 50-day moving average. Square just giving it a little kiss. That's a good bouncing spot, and market seems like it's bouncing quick. Again, I'm going to be looking at SPY and the Q and the SPX. I want to set up a trade in Apple because I think it's primed for a nice little rally here now that we've had a nice little vol explosion. I do have a tiny little trade on from last week that's through October, but I want to add some long delta here. Additionally, I'm looking at, we'll play with some of these financials. They really didn't get much of a lift, which is kind of a surprise given how kind of overall strong the market, how overall strong rates were. That should have been a lot more of a help than it was. So that's we're going to spend a lot of time, and then we'll probably play with rates a little bit, oil names as well. But I think that there's a lot to do today, and I'm looking forward to it. Today looks like a day for opportunity. All right, I'll be back shortly, and I'll talk to you folks soon.